So let's talk about scissors. These are Jim Holtz scissors, and I love these scissors. They're the best for a lot of different reasons. See how those finger guards are like that, soft like that? That's when you're extending out. It's less fatigue and less pain on your hand. Just wonderful. And the blades are micro-serrated. You can't even see the serrations, but they're micro-serrations. It makes for such a beautiful cut. And we're actually going to do some cutting, and I'm going to let you hear the sound of the cutting that's coming up. But I have two different ones. I have the big ones, and I have these small ones for accurate cuts like this. It's just wonderful. They just feel so good, and they cut so well. Those are Jim Holtz scissors. I love them. Get them. See, some cards start cutting paper. If you do arts and crafts, you invest. These things all cost more than cheap stuff, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Makes a big difference in the quality of your work. And now listen. So you can just hear the quality of a great pair of scissors. All right.